Hi guys! For this video, I will make a Mai Tai cocktail. Yes, we want to enjoy in our backyard jacuzzi. So first, I will add this rum, 1 ounce of white rum. Next, I will add this Cointreau. This is orange with liquor. I will add for about 3/4 ounce. I will add 1/2 ounce of lime juice. Next, I will add a simple syrup. This is 1/4 cup of sugar with 1 cup of water. Then I just boiled it. Then I will add for about 1/2 ounce. Alright, I will add a crushed ice here in my glass. I'll just add cube ice in this shaker. Shake it good. Then I will just pour here in the glass. Alright, next I will add 1 ounce of cognac. It's supposed to be dark rum, but I don't have a dark rum. So this is my substitute, cognac. Smells so strong. So let's see. Oh, I like that look. For the garnish, you can add a wedge of lime or a mint leaves. But since I don't have it, I'll just put a slice of pineapple. Here's my Mai Tai. When you're about to drink it, you need to stir. So that's it. Cheers.